Rebecca? Did you want your Aunt Kim to hold you? Is that what you're saying?
I don't think so.
Oh, it's Chris. It's your Uncle Chris. Oh, that was a sneeze. Okay. That's you, baby girl.
She's a good girl. You're going to get better now. Yes, you are.
Come on, Maureen.
You're going to get better.
Sorry, Deb. Fine. Say, hey, Haley. Hi, Haley. Where's your mommy? Your mommy's at home waiting for you. Yeah. Where's mommy, huh? I'm trying not to shadow you. Look like Kristen there. Yeah. Good girl. Now you're trying to... Nope, you closed them, you turd.
Look at her. Oh, she's so darn cute.
She closed her eyes. Say hi, everybody. Look at me now. I'm going to talk non-stop.
Oh, she's a good girl. Oh.
Do you want a washcloth one?
Yeah, some spit.
Oh, that's a loud one.
She's telling me, cut it out. Grandmother.
Nice to hear a voice, huh?
A little bit, yeah.
It's amazing. Wait till Farrell cries. Oh.
Yeah, well, you know, she might have some time to make up for it. That's what to tell you.
Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Daddy. I'm going to clear out my lungs.
Is that oxygen okay?
Yeah, I think they're long prongs. She's at 99%.
Yeah.
You can't pat her chest.
I'm not okay now. I did once pat her chest and I remembered. Yes.
Alright, I gotta go, guys. Bye.
I'll call you and let you know.
Okay.
Oh, it's a big bubble.
Listen. Turn her on her side.
Oh, you can turn her on her side.
Let's turn her on her side.
You can touch her.
I'm taping. I have touched her before, but I'm taping.
Ask her. I can do it. I know, but ask her if she.
She can. That'll keep her a little clearer. That's why they propped her up a little bit, but she breathes easy on her side.
Look at your bubbles.
Stop it. You can't hold her. You'll be lucky if you hold her before Christmas.
No.
I'm not going to say what I'm thinking.
Did you hear that, Danny? Did you hear that? Did you hear what your mom said?
I'm blocking Aunt Kim. Did you guys hear what I said?
Evil, evil.
Are you sure that's okay?
Yeah.
She doesn't seem to like. Look at her.
Get her, do we have a... I just want to cough all that out.
Okay, sweet girl. You're the best little girl. Oh, yes. You are very much loved.
Hi. Oh, you're going to cry again.
No.
She just got all that stuff
Never
out.
hit. That calms her.
Alright.
I'm going with you. I think
Hey, baby girl.
Okay.
Say hi to
Bye,
Grandpa
Dad.
Rich.
I don't like your mommy very much right now.
Just love your grandma and your great aunt.
Are you going to stay?
It's not something I'm doing right now.
Okay.